everyone, I am Monica the Mom Dog, and I'm going to edit this photo today. I got some questions about it on Facebook, and I figured, hadn't done one of these in a while, so let's just do one. It's been a bit. And this one was super dramatic. There was like a set of 3 photos. This one was the most dramatic transformation of the bunch, so I thought let's go with this one. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. This is how it started out. This is the image straight out of camera. I started by using my most favorite black and white preset, and I've got some tweaked ones here, but this is the black and rad black and white 1 from the Unraveled Academy's rad pack. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. They use a ton of grain, which sometimes is really fun. But I'm not really feeling it today, so I'm just going to knock that down quite a bit. I did keep the highlights on this one. I did start messing with, oops, I knocked down my whites. My shadows and blacks, just to kind of start filling in some of this area around my sun. In fact, I'm going to take those highlights up a little bit. And then I started working with the graduated filters. I'm going to put one over here and pull down the shadows. I'm going to pull down the exposure. I wanted that windowsill to go away. It is now gone. I did the same thing in several different places, and I don't remember exactly where they all happened, but we're just going to play with this. Let's see if I can get it kind of how I had it before. I mean, this side of his face is pretty dark, so I'm just going to bring that on in. And there we go. There's still some stuff on the bottom that needs to come out, and I think originally I did this different because I was kind of going somewhere else with it, and then it kind of evolved into this, something just super moody and dramatic. And then I even took an adjustment brush and I came in here. Let's not mess with the shadows, I'm going to mess with the highlights. And I just kind of brushed them on even more.
Mommy,
I can't remember if I did contrast or not. I really don't remember. I think I got this little boy in his pictures in my lap right now as I edit. I think I messed with clarity a tiny bit. I can't remember if I brushed it on or just moved it here. And I think I even may have in that adjustment brush brought up the shadows a little bit for his eyes, but I do not remember. But anyway, you get the point. So
I said no.
I
This one.
cropped it. So there we go. Let's see how close we got to my original edit. You know, they're a little different. But you kind of get the point of how you go from something like this to something like that. I probably brought the exposure up a little bit as a whole. Ooh, not that much. So yeah, my filters are probably in slightly different places, but you get it. So that is how you go from this, just really nothing super special about it, except for my son is adorable as heck, to something like this. It's a great black and white preset, along with a bunch of graduated filters and a little bit of adjustment brush, and boom, you get it. Alright guys, if you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. You're of course welcome to subscribe. I think that would be awesome. And I will see you next time. Bye.